So you're wondering why your computer is a bit slow, maybe things are a bit unresponsive. There are a couple of reasons that could be contributing to that, and like we talked about in a previous video on how to improve your computer's performance. There are a couple of reasons, but today we are going to talk about updating applications and Windows. By doing so, you improve your computer's performance to some extent or to a certain percentage. It's very important. As much as we may sometimes want to save data and not update such, it is important. So we are going to go through how you can update various applications and your device drivers that could in one way or the other contribute to your computer's slow performance. So let's go first to how you can update drivers, and here we're going to click on the start menu first, and then we're going to type in here device manager. The device manager opens, then you click on it to open it, then let's maximize this or let it load fast as my devices or devices that are being installed in my computer can be displayed here. So we are in this page. You have a couple of devices here that you might need to update sometime, depending on how frequently you use them. But then sometimes it's just a good thing to just update them to improve your computer's performance. So let's take, for instance, we wanted to update some imaging devices, for instance. So we look for that device within this place, and we'll see. I have let's say display adapters. Let me just take Bluetooth. So I have the main Bluetooth device in this computer, which is this here. So I'll double click on it to open it. So if this device is not updated, your computer is very likely to be a bit slow, like it will affect your computer speed. So how do I update the drivers to this? Do I update the drivers to the Bluetooth devices that I use in my computer? So I'll come to this section, driver section, and then click on update driver. So if you have installed a recent version of Bluetooth in your PC and you intend to if you have downloaded and intend to install it, you just browse on your computer and go follow the necessary the installation steps and install it. But if you haven't, you can always click on search for software upgrades from the internet, because this will search through the internet and help you look for the current versions of the device that you are updating for your PC. So in my case, you can see I've been told the best drivers for your device are already installed, and that means that my device is already up to date. So if it were not updated, I would be given options to maybe be told device driver found update, then I would download the update and install it. So I will close that and try a different device in this section. Now, one thing you should note is when your drivers are not functioning, they'll have this sign that you see here, this warning sign. So if you see any of that, you need to look for a way to either update it or find a way to troubleshoot it, because in most cases it means that your device as a device driver has a problem. So you can update any drivers within this section. Whichever driver you choose, you just follow the same steps and update them. So that will help you update drivers within your PC. And now the next thing, apart from drivers, is Windows updates. You would need some time to update Windows to update Windows. So that is simple. You just go to your start menu and click on the start settings, and then go to update and security once the Windows settings opens. So in this section you will be given the options to update your Windows, which in most cases we do pause for maybe to save your data. Now before you do this, make sure that you have enough data. Roughly 2 GB of data could do. So you need to check for updates. That is, if you post it, like mine has been paused for a specific number of days. I've been told that I last checked it on fast, that is less than a few days ago. So you'll check for updates from the web, and then you download the required updates like Windows Defender or just the necessary Windows updates. So try as much as you can to always update your Windows to improve on your computer's performance. Otherwise, you'll still keep having the Windows lagging problems, or maybe the slow speed, programs crashing, or such things. So you will update this, and then after doing your updates, to save yourself some data, always make sure you pause the automatic updates, because if you don't, then your computer will be looking for updates on a daily basis, and that could cost you so much, especially if you're using a limited amount of data. So that's it for today. Click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification button for updates on new uploads and further troubleshooting videos. Thanks.